Welcome to my channel. Enjoy the video until end. Tajit new experience from this video. Thank you. Cracked heels treatment. Put your feet in warm water, add salt and an antibacterial herb. Clean and white feet. Now, scrub off dead skin slowly and carefully. Repeat it until dead skin in the heel and other parts of the sole remove well. Use foot file to remove remaining dead skin and to smoothie the skin. Moisturize the foot skin with a special oil or cream moisturizer. Yay! Now, your feet look smoother and more fresh. Thank you for watching. Please leave comment and hit subscribe button to get next notification. Thank you.